Guys, it's Skylar Gamer 07 here, and today we're gonna be playing some Subway Surfers on my phone. I know it's been a while, guys. I'm sorry about that, but I've been doing stuff. I'm actually in 6th grade now. Yeah. But yeah, let's see who we got. Pick him. I think I have this guy. Play with this guy. Ooh, those look cool. I might buy that. Looks pretty cool. Let's go. Okay. So if you don't know what Subway Surfers is, it's basically you gotta basically just get these coins and level up, buy new characters and have just fun and dodge the obstacles, by the way. So and there's different types of one. Like this one you have to jump over. Trains, I don't think you can just get it. Oh, and letters, they just give you tons of coins if you complete all of them. Oh, this one you can dunk under. This one might be a short video, guys, but I'm probably gonna be uploading again. So yeah, if you're excited about that, by the way, subscribe, guys. Leave a like. We're gonna start uploading again, boys. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. Ooh, there's an L. No, it's fine. Ooh, I got all my challenges done. Let's see what we got. Ooh, the Burger King challenge. Oh. Ads, Okay. Get my result. What'd I get? High five. Ooh, 13,000. Okay, not bad. Ooh, a different hoverboard. It's gonna be cool. Ooh, this one I almost have enough for. Okay, let's go again. It's kind of fun. I'll get all these coins. Do that. Yeah, there's also these jetpacks that can take you above the overhang. They're very cool. Ooh, L. There we go. Just one more. Okay. Ooh, there's an M. There we go. And there's a full letter. I think that means that we should be getting some coins. Oh no, we get a box. Okay. That's cool. Ooh, we got a daily high score. Like, if you want a part 2 on this, you get 20 likes, 30 likes on this. 10. If we could get any of those, that'd be great. Oh, here's the jetpack like I was talking about. Look at this. It's really cool. I used to play this game a lot. It's actually really fun. Ooh, a pogo stick. Let's go. And a jetpack. We're getting pretty lucky. We're doing pretty good. Oh, it's okay though. High score. Like I was saying, if you like this type of content, leave a like and subscribe. Yeah, just oh, we got another ad, but that's fine. I'm chilling. Okay. Okay, well, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.